Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make chicken sandwich. It's easy, delicious and fast to prepare. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, we're gonna see our ingredients. We have here half kilo of chicken breast cut in dice, different colors of bell pepper, half one each color. If you don't have colors, you can use any one from it. Small onion, red onion, cut julienne. If you don't have red one, you can use the white one. 3 mashed garlic cloves, half spoon of sweet paprika, and another half spoon of hot paprika, small spoon of black pepper, and small spoon of chicken spices, 1 spoon of salt. And finally we're gonna use a vegetable oil to cook our sandwich. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our dish. On a frying pan over medium high heat, put a little bit of vegetable oil, wait for 2 minutes, then add the chicken we have. Keep stirring the chicken until it changes its color. Then add the spices, the onion and the garlic, mix it a little bit, and add the bell pepper. Leave it frying over the stove for around 10 more minutes. Take it down, and now let's make our sandwich. In a baguette, put the quantity that you like. And toast it on the toaster. You can use the electric toaster or you can use toasting pan over the stove. Toast the baguette from both sides and take it down. Now it's ready to eat, but you can add some stuff in it, like I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna add some tomato, some pickles, and lettuce. You can add more stuff in it, or you can eat it without anything else. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area below. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.